Olympics. We got folks all over this gym. Every single station is a different apparatus. You'll see over here we've got guys trying to pass, what is this? Lifesavers. It takes a very steady now. There's always a leader in each group that emerges. Check this out over here, see what they're doing. Over here we've got push the potato with your head. Believe it or not, there's a secret to this. It takes a degree to do this. All of this is about working together, teamwork, seeing how leaders emerge. There's always leaders that emerge, and then there's others that sit back. But these games get everybody involved. Mass chaos is what it looks like, but really there's a science behind this. And it's amazing how it pulls people out of their comfort zone and gets them engaged in ways they would never be engaged before. It also teaches teamwork, communication. A lot of these are communication tactics that if you don't communicate well, then you won't be able to win.
10 seconds.